Probably one of the best cars that Range Rover built for me is an Autobiography, and that's what this is. But it just gets better. So you get the 3-litre diesels, but then you get the 4.4 SD V8, which just sounds tremendous, but the power output is amazing. Now the Autobiography is so refined, it's just got all the extras. It's designed for the super rich really, and you can see that from every single angle. It's the way it looks classy, but still sporty in its own way. But it's all the gadget and gizmos and the creature comforts, and that luxurious just sort of oozes in every single way. Now this car is one owner from new, and it's got 23,000 miles and full Land Rover Service History. It's been so well kept, and you can see that throughout the full car again. So let's talk about the obvious things. First of all, the colour. An amazing colour called the Carpathian Grey. A very nice, rich, dark, deep gunmetal grey. Obviously it's a facelift model, so you have the Fusion Blue daytime running lights with a full adaptive LED individual lighting system. You've got headlight washers, which when you squirt in the windscreen washers, they jump out, wash the headlights, go back away again. Front rear parking sensors, the beautiful silver finish to the badging, to the grills, to the inserts, the strip on the bottom. So again, like I said, it has the classy, rich look about it. 360 view camera system, that's front camera, side cameras and the rear camera. But then you've got things like the cruise control with the adaptive cruise control. Now the Range Rovers are a tremendous car, but not, believe it or not, even at £100,000, they don't come with adaptive cruise control unless you go for something like the Autobiography. But then you go back onto more spec, things like parallel park assist, so the car parks itself. The wheels, 22-inch genuine upgraded alloy wheels with a matte finish, so it's diamond cut, that lovely dark grey, like the Carpathian on the inserts. No curb damage, no corrosion, nothing. Fixed side steps, and then you have the Atlases with a matte finish again, like the wheels, that goes down the side all the way, continuing to the rear back bumper. Window surrounds in black, sun protection glass, and you've got double glazed windows for soundproofing and good quality. Again, the surroundings on the door handles, being the Autobiography, has a different shade of colour to it, comfort access, and then you have soft closed doors. The soft closed doors obviously is front and rear, but then look at that interior. Talk about comfort. It doesn't get any better. All it takes on a car like this is to look at it about 6 seconds and you can just almost vision how comfortable this car will be. The Alcantara roof lining, tilt and sliding panoramic roof. Now this one's got heated seats. You've got ventilated seat, which is the cool seats, but then you've also got massaging seats as well. Obviously touchscreen media system with Apple CarPlay, navigation, Bluetooth, onboard computer, full electric seats with lumbar support, and you've got memory seats as well for both driver and passenger. Meridian sound system, but this car is super crisp. From the leather to the top dash to the exterior. If you look in here, all this is leather. It's not just a plastic stuff. There's miles and miles of leather everywhere. The leather steering wheel, the paddle shift, twin dash. But then with it being the Autobiography, you'll see nice little touches like this. It's not the reason why you'll buy the car, but it's got little aluminium pieces everywhere. Even the door handles, everything just feels good quality. Now the back is really exciting because the Autobiography like this, you could be driven in it or you could drive it. Your passengers, your friends, your family, your business users, your partners, whoever it might be that will get in this car, will get in with just awe, literally. It's that type of car. Lots of legroom again. The seats in the back are like the front. There's lots and lots of space. They're so cushioned so well that when you're in it, it's like you don't want to get out of it. So in the back you have your third zone climate control. You've got heated seats and ventilated seats in the back as well. Dual zone climate control, 12 volt sockets, 5 volt sockets, it's got everything in here. Reclining rear seats with memory seats, which you don't get in many cars at all. This being the Autobiography, it has all that. The extra speaker system, the lovely ceramic finish, the light switches up here. And again, that feeling there of the Alcantara is brilliant, but it gets better. It's Autobiography, so you have footwell lighting, you have B-pillars lighting up there. So lighting is very, for me, is key because aesthetically it needs to look good. But if there is only 2 passengers in the back of this car, it just gets amazing. You press that button, electronically this centerpiece folds backwards a little bit, and this whole armrest, which is a solid piece as you can see, comes all the way out. Some great detailing with the pinstripe and the silver bits in there, and then you can press that button and it lifts open and there's cup holders in there as well. But this area here, it's a full-on lounge effect. It's something you expect in the Maybach in a long wheelbase SVO. Now to get that in an SD V8 is absolutely mind-blowing. underneath here. You have more cubbyhole space. There's cup holders underneath there. It's just electronically, it closes again. Fold it away. They recline so well with a cushioned headrest. There isn't a better car. Physically, there isn't. Combined with running costs, combined with power, sound, this still has the remainder of the Land Rover manufacturer's warranty. Combination of everything. If you're in the market for a Range Rover and you're looking at an SDV6, which is a brilliant car by the way, and you think, you know what, I can afford to spend 5-10 grand more and get the bells and whistles, get the correct colour, the correct wheels, and then the ownership, the one owner, the full Land Rover Service History. Austerity, the car looks absolutely brilliant from every single angle, with them big squared LED rear lighting system, colour-coded bumpers, the signature split tailgate, which you can use, and I use this all the time. I'm taking my kid to football on Sundays, every Sundays where possible, and I'll sit on the back of this and I'll watch him because sometimes it's nice to, my legs are hurting from standing. Now this one also has another key feature called the Electrically Deployable Tow Bar. So as you can see, the car looks brilliant because there's no tow bar sticking out. But if you do use a tow bar, you press that button there, and then in about 10 to 12 seconds, you'll see electronically the tow bar come out. You can utilise it, and being the SDV8, the 4.4 engine, it's got enough pulling power, you can literally pull a house down with this thing. It's massive. It's brilliant. When you're not using it, press the button, it falls away again. It is such a rare car. This car isn't going to hang around because anyone that knows the Range Rovers, anyone who's been looking for an SDV8 and wants an autobiography, go and order one. It'll cost another £50,000 and you'll wait 12 months. Or you get one that's one owner, full history, with all the gadget and gizmos in the correct colour combination, and that's been looked after very, very well. Like this car has full digital dash, the adaptive cruise control, the heated steering wheel, voice control, camera system, everything that I've mentioned, it's just got it all plus more. The climate control, front and rear heated windscreen, vehicle settings with the different drive terrain, so you can pick eco, you can pick literally whatever you want by just gravel, snow program, the mud ruts program, sand program, rock crawl, it's there, it's all there. Climate and the seating and the massaging, how you want the massaging to go, where you want it to go, how intense you want it. It's just mind-blowing how nice this car is. But more importantly, the customers who own this car, just real nice people who've appreciated this car from day one and they looked after it, and you can see that. Somebody's going to get a fabulous car, and somebody who misses out is genuinely going to not find another one just like it because it's got a massive spec with the best colour combo. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.